Indianapolis Executive Airport.
Automated weather observation.
195, 1 Zulu, weather, wind 040 at 5, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 18 Celsius, 2.0, altimeter 3017.
Runway 36 calm and crosswind runway.
Indy-Exec traffic, King Air 503, Charlie Bravo, taxiing out.
Indianapolis Executive Airport.
Automated weather observation.
1952, Zulu, weather, wind 060 at 4, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 18 Celsius, 2.0, altimeter 3017.
Runway 36 calm and crosswind runway.
Alrighty, autopilot disconnect. Trim is set. Parking brake release. Well, let's hope this Bluetooth for this Insta360 works. This is a test flight for that and practice some commercial maneuvers. Brakes are good. Also testing out my new checklist, edited by Garmin Checkset. You can change your flow any way you want. I kept it mostly the same. I just removed a lot of the extraneous stuff that really isn't relevant with a lot of experience. I think it's good if you don't know your plane well, but we've gotten to know each other pretty well over the last year. Do a run up over in this area here. Clear right, clear left. Alright, restart disabled. Probably need AC right now. Polar tank. Fuel pump is boosted, mixture is rich. Flaps are 50. Brakes are on. 1700 RPM. Temperature's up. 50 RPM down. 50 back up. Right magneto. 30 or 40 down. Back up. Slowly back to idle. Stays over 600 to 750 RPM. Back up to 1,000. All right, we're good there.
Indy Exec 32 Foxtrot Whiskey, radio check please. Coming in loud and clear.
Indy-Exec traffic, Cirrus 890 Whiskey Golf is taxiing from the south ramp to runway 36, Indy-Exec.
Exec traffic, 66 landing Yankee, entering left downwind, 36 full stop, exec.
This will be a normal takeoff off of runway 36. If we have any red gels prior to rotation, we'll report to flight. After rotation, we'll land, push down, land straight ahead. 600, 2,000 feet, we'll pull caps immediately. After 2,000 feet, we'll circle back and try and land, otherwise pull caps as needed.
Exec traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf taking off on runway 36, exec.
Anyway, 41 is 6 miles to the south and bound to join the left downwind for runway 36. Exec.
Exec traffic, 66 landing Yankee, turning left base, 36 full stop, exec. Yeah, Charter traffic, Cirrus 817 hotels go around runway.
Altitude.
Charter.
Turn traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf. Turning final, runway 5, touch and go, Sheridan.
Sheridan traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf on the go. Sheridan. Sheridan traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf, final, runway 5, touch and go, Sheridan.
500.
Sheridan traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf is on the go. We'll depart the pattern to the west, Sheridan.
Let's do clearing turns first. Alright, well let's do steep turns first. Got no traffic around us. All right, so we're at 4,500. We'll head east. All right. Let's get down to 4,500. All right, here we go to the left. Oh no, I gotta turn ESP off. All right, ESP is off.
Any exact traffic, Cirrus 4 uniform is left off and runway 36, and exact.
36 to the northwest in the exact.
All right, here we go.
And exact traffic, Cirrus 4-3 Victor uniform is left downwind runway 36, and exact.
All right, that's pretty good. Let's go to slow flight.
And exact traffic, Cirrus 4 Victor uniform is turning left base runway 36, and exact.
Hang out here a little bit. Pitch for speed.
And exact traffic,
Power
Cirrus 4-3
altitude.
Victor uniform is final runway 36, exact.
All right, 10 degrees left.
Stall. Stall.
Good traffic, King 503, Charlie Bravo, 5 miles to the south, 3,070, 2,300, and entering left traffic, runway 9. Good. Indy, downtown traffic, helicopter 4 with the Alpha, just south of Lucas Oil Stadium, 1,700, will be exiting downtown northeast.
Transition to power off stall.
And exact traffic, Cirrus 4-3 Victor uniform is clear runway 36, and exact.
Climb.
Stall. Stall.
Stall.
Stall.
Cover.
Stall. Stall. Stall.
Coast traffic, King Air 503, Charlie Bravo, crossing midfield, left
Right
down,
rudder.
wind, runway 9, Goshen. Stripes are looking good down there, Brandon.
Flaps up. Cover. Let's do power on stall. So that'll be a go around or takeoff stall. So we'll set up for rotation speed. %, flaps. Try and maintain this altitude here. Getting slow. Slower. Rotation speed, 65% power.
Stall.
Pitch down.
Altitude.
Clean up. Power back. Flaps up.
There's traffic. Taking 503 shots.
Let's do some chandelles. Here we go. Too high.
Stall. Stall.
Let's do one more. All right, here we go.
Stall. 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 Stall.
Any exact traffic is 43 Victor Uniform is departing runway 36. Any exact.
Exec traffic, Cirrus 817 Hotel. Hotel is 6 northeast, planet midfield, cross left downwind, runway 36 in the exec.
Let's do some lazy eights.
Exec traffic, Cirrus 817 Hotel.
And the exact traffic is 43 Victor Uniform is departing pattern to the south. And the exact
Exact traffic 817 Hotel, Hotel, Cirrus turning left crosswind, runway 36. Sorry.
Altitude.
Romeo 5 to the east. We'll be crossing midfield, entering midfield downwind 436. Got traffic air number 541 at Foxtrot 5 south, 3600 cross midfield, 3600. Head on left downwind, runway 10.
Check traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf left base
Altitude.
for 36 and exact. Check traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf final 36, touch and go, and exact.
500.
Got traffic coming into 818 Romeo, entering midfield downwind 436 full stop.
This will be a short field landing on the 1,000 foot stretch.
Got traffic air number 541 at Foxtrot cross midfield 2600. Head on left downwind, runway 10. Exit traffic Bonanza 818, turning left base 36 full stop.
Check traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf left downwind 36 and exact. Check traffic, Cirrus 89 Whiskey Golf short approach for runway 36 and exact.
Altitude. $500.
Exact traffic 818, clear the active.
Taxiway.